This outstanding example of the 2014 Nissan Murano SV is offered by Connell Nissan in their original incarnation. SUVs were chiefly owned by folks who valued utility above sport. Not anymore. The Nissan Murano SV redefines the SUV and makes the perfect all-around family companion. The 2014 Nissan exterior is finished in a breathtaking brilliant silver metallic, while being complemented by such a gorgeous black interior. This color combination is stunning and absolutely beautiful. This Nissan includes N92 retractable cargo cover, PIO, CO3, 50-state emissions black, cloth seat trim, B93, roof rail crossbars, PIO, brilliant silver metallic, L92, carpeted floor mats. More information about the 2014 Nissan Murano. The 5-passenger Murano is Nissan's mid-size crossover model, and with the transformation of the Pathfinder to a 3-row crossover instead of a body-on-frame truck, the Murano now fits neatly into a complete Nissan crossover lineup, between the compact Rogue and the larger Pathfinder. The Murano offers a little more style and panache than some other entries in the mid-size class, while in top SL and LE trims it has the feature set of a luxury badge vehicle. Interesting features of this model are car-like ride and handling, smooth, responsive powertrain, stylish cabin appointments, easy to get in and out, cargo versatility, luxury caliber feature list, and active safety options. Connell Nissan rents Versa, Altima, Electric Leaf and the NV commercial van. Daily, weekly and monthly prices are net of all rebates. Leases are excluded. Must be California resident. Incentives include MEG cash, which require financing with MEG. Connell Nissan is the #1 GTR dealer in the USA for total sales since 2009. Text